you doing over there?
Well, I'm dissecting an 8-channel board to get a 4-channel board.
Then we're going to power up the Toyota with the latest version of our product.
So the Toyota's a 4-cylinder.
Yeah, Toyota's a 4-cylinder board, and that was an 8-channel board, to which would do a V8, and so we didn't need this part. I just took it off.
So what are you going to do to the Toyota then? It already has a white lightning converter on it?
Yes, and that converter doesn't have the cold start ability, and this circuit board has our latest, most advanced cold start technology, and in this climate that's kind of helpful. So then I'm just going to take and heat up the solder and pull these jumpers off of here so that it doesn't have those hanging loose, and then we're good to do the install.
What does that amount to, the install? What are you going to do out of the Toyota?
Well, that vehicle already has the wiring harness installed, so all we have to do is unplug that wiring harness from the old board and plug it onto this one.
Amazing.
We have some other lids in here. Should I just take one off of here? Just take that one.
No, there's spare lids in here.
We're gonna give it the good stuff. See.
Powered by, hold it up again please. Renewable fuel, 85% ethanol, and what's this? Oh, Flex Fuel International.
Fuel Flex International.
Fuel Flex, yeah, I see it now. What a deal.
Your new device will look like that.
So that's where we're going to put that on the
Yes, sir.
Toyota.
It's not hot enough yet.
Well, thank you. We'll take another look when we get out to the Toyota. Hello. Can you hear me okay?
I think I can.
I'm Calvin Lehman. I have this motorhome. I want it to run on ethanol. And I found these gentlemen who say that they can put a converter on my engine. Will make it run on ethanol. I already have one. I haven't had a chance to try it because I don't have any ethanol in this town. But I'm going to take a trip and I'm going to find E85, and this vehicle is going to run on it when these gentlemen help me. Now, who are you guys?
We're Gary Ackert and Curtis. Gary Ackert and Curtis Lacey. Gary Ackert and Alex Conger from Fuel Flex International, and we have the technology that is needed here.
Okay.
To shorten installation, we've already put the cable in place in this. Basically, this cable gets installed between the injectors and the car's computer. And now we're going to install the FF5 Platinum series with True Cold Start. And this vehicle will be allowed to run either gasoline or E85 ethanol. And it goes something like this. It's installed.
Okay.
That's
Okay, you're on.
Put it upright.
So we're putting on the lid and the screws
Really?
now.
Yeah.
Figuring out how
So
to
you can
put
see
the
it
lid
through
on.
the-
Screws. Whoops, there goes the lid.
It's cold out here this morning. Install this device anytime, any place. It doesn't really matter.
little more trouble if it's cold.
Yeah, because my fingers aren't cooperating quite right here.
So we don't need to think about what fuel we're putting in it anymore. If we can find ethanol, we put it in.
Absolutely.
If it's gasoline, we put it in.
That's right, Cal.
It doesn't
And
matter
we
what.
all know there's not enough ethanol available, correct?
Yeah, that's right. See, I just need it because I'm going to take a trip and I'm going to find ethanol. But here I have to run it on gasoline.
Basically, we're where we want to be. I'm probably going to use one of these.
So what are you doing?
Well, we've used Velcro to put this in place, but because of where we're mounting this, we're going to use a couple of tie wraps just to make it a little bit more secure.
Cool.
Because we know that you all are going to be out on the road in all sorts of environments, so we want to make sure that there's no problems with where it's mounted. Digital world.
Go.
Okay, we just installed the ethanol converter in the motorhome. These gentlemen have to get back to their job. So tell us a little bit about what you're going to do this week.
This week, we're going to be working on preparations to be in Las Vegas, Nevada, week after next, in the Specialty Equipment Manufacturers Meeting, the SEMA show in Las Vegas. We'll be there the week of November 1st, promoting the use of ethanol manufacturing in our conversion systems. That conversion system is the same system that powers this vehicle here and allows it to run on anything from gasoline to 98% ethanol.
So what part do you play in this, Gary?
Well, I'm technology lead and also chief financial officer.
That's pretty much it.
Okay,
There's
so-
one other person that's in our group. His name is Curtis. He's located in Dallas, Texas, and he kind of runs front on research for marketing and sales, and keeps up with what's going on in the fuel industry in general.
Well, thank you. And thank you for coming to Salmon.
Our pleasure.
Stop by next time you're in town. Thank you. I'm glad to see you guys are in the ethanol business.
Thank you.
Go.
Okay, they have to leave now, so let's see if the vehicle starts.
Yay!
Clean burning, 98% ethanol.